Hello everyone, welcome back to the 10 weeks of Yukt Ahar project. कैसे हैं आप लोग? How is the project going on, the 3 hours of TBBDD and all the other things that we have done? So the Kunjar Kriya, I received a lot of comments and a lot of DMs telling how great people felt with the Kriya. Then yesterday we discussed the dental hygiene. So आशा करती हूँ कि आप लोग oil pulling कर रहे हैं and you're using the neem sticks and you're using the namak haldi paste. So today the topic is the 4 supplements of TBBD which is there in phase 1 जो किताब में है, जिसके बारे में हम किताब में पढ़ चुके हैं. But I just wanted to give you a first hand view of what these supplements look like, ये कैसे लगते हैं, क्या है ये, because I'm sure a lot of people have not heard about these supplements. But surprisingly ये सारे supplements जो 4 supplements हैं which is Trikatu, Triphala, Chitraka and Daru Halad. You can call it Daru Haridra, Daru Halad or Daru Haldi, same thing. तो ये चारों supplements जो हैं it's become like a craze in the West. But हमें ये सुनने नहीं मिलता. These are very much from India, the ancient gems of India, but we hardly use it, we don't know about it. And just like a lot of the other things, जैसे जब तक हल्दी, घी, योगा, जब तक वो वेस्ट से चक्कर मार के घूम के हमारे पास नहीं आया, we never valued it. So it's the same with these supplements. Even the neem sticks जो हमने कल बात करी थी, जिसके बारे में कल के लाइव में, you would be shocked to know that American e-commerce companies they are selling these neem sticks in the name of organic brushes, organic toothbrush, organic eco-friendly toothbrush, anti-inflammatory toothbrush from India, and that is how they are selling it. And they're selling it for a price of 1800 rupees. जो चीज़ हमें शायद हम बाजार से नहीं तो 4 to 5 rupees में मिलेगा इंडिया में. और अगर आप एक्चुअली इंडिया में इफ यू कैन रियली आस्क हेल्प फ्रॉम पीपल, आपका सिक्योरिटी वाला, आपका ड्राइवर सब आ जाएंगे आपको हेल्प करने और ऐसे ही झाड़ से उतार के दे देंगे एंड यू विल गेट इट एब्सोल्युटली फॉर फ्री. सो दैट्स द ब्यूटी ऑफ स्टेइंग इन इंडिया. So we are going to discuss the 4 supplements today, as I just mentioned, and that is the reason why today the live is going to happen from my office pantry. So these are the 4 supplements. I have just put them in a bowl so that you can look at them, you can know how they look, because books में आपने सिर्फ नाम पढ़ा है, so I wanted you to have a view of it. So this is Triphala. This is how Triphala looks, and this is Trikatu. This one is little yellowish in color, so that's why it's the Daru Haldi. That's it's the name is there because there's a little tinge of yellow to it. And this one is the Chitraka. So these are the 4 supplements that is there, जिसके बारे में बुक में बताया गया है. ये supplements क्यों यूज करने हैं, I'm not going to get into the details of it because pages and pages has been written about it in the book, and I'm assuming that people who are in this project have read the book, they know about it, so I don't want to spend time discussing कि इसके benefits क्या हैं. All I can say is that they have become like the top herbal remedy for a lot of diseases, for weight loss, for metabolism enhancement, for mental health, liver, cholesterol, blood pressure, osteoporosis, sugar control, a lot of things. And that is why it is even being predicted that after ashwagandha, like ashwagandha has become a craze in the West, now this is going to be the next super hit or the next superfood in the West. Of course it's going to take time to become mainstream, and then we are going to hear about it, and then we are going to run after these things जिसको अभी हम लोग बहुत देसी समझते हैं और बहुत एलएस समझते हैं कि हम अगर नीम से कुछ करें दांतों को, या अगर हम इनको खाएं तो हम बहुत ही लो स्टैंडर्ड हो जाएंगे. बट द मोमेंट इट कम्स अप्रूव्ड, एक थप्पा लगेगा वेस्ट का, वी ऑल विल बी रनिंग टुवर्ड्स इट. आई एम सो श्योर अबाउट इट. सो बिफोर दैट हैपेंस, लेट अस जस्ट एनलाइटन आवरसेल्व्स and let us just walk the path of good health, because these things are pretty much easily available everywhere in India and even abroad. So I have already given a lot of these tips on how you can get this from your Ayurveda local stores wherever you live. बट अगर आपको ये आपके लोकल आयुर्वेदा स्टोर्स में नहीं मिल रहे हैं, या फिर अगर आपके आसपास में कोई इस तरह से लोकल स्टोर्स नहीं है अनफॉर्चुनेटली, देन यू प्लीज गो ऑन माय वेबसाइट विच इज munmunganeriwal.com, एंड उधर में बुक सेक्शन है. click on the book section which is on the menu bar, and when you get on the book section, then you will have a complete table of all these 4 supplements that you can simply click and order from both Amazon.in for people living in India and also Amazon.com for people living outside India. So it's really not at all complicated. It's pretty easy to procure them, and it's even easier to use them. So in the book, chapter 5, page 104, a complete table diya gaya hai, so there can be no doubt about how we need to use it in terms of dosage and stuff. But I'm just going to run you through it so that you can actually see it practically happening, and you can just start using it from tomorrow. So from tomorrow you can start using these 4 supplements, and we are going to start with the phase 1 from tomorrow. So wait for the phase 1 starting guidelines that I'll be doing at 6 p.m. tomorrow, same place, same time. But from tomorrow itself you can start these 4 supplements. Okay, so this is the Triphala, as I told you. So Triphala, what you need to do is that you just put 1 teaspoon of it, take some warm water. Now again, the book says that you need to use some 100 ml water, but you can increase the amount of water. So there is no such thing कि आपको 100 ml ही use करना है, because few people who have started applying the principles and few people who are already in phase 1, I receive comments saying that उनको वो consistency thick लग रहा है. So it really depends on your taste and your consistency. If you feel that this one which I am using, this is around 150 to 200 ml water. This is lukewarm water. So even this much is fine. This is going to make it very thin, and this will help that Triphala powder dissolve. If you want to use a lesser amount, you can use 100 ml. So we are not very strict upon the volume of water. You can go from 100 to 200 to even 250. So this is the Triphala, which you're going to use it at bedtime. The dosage, the usage, everything is there in the book, so please refer to the book. The second one is which I'm going to show is Trikatu. Now Trikatu is used in very small amounts, so you are just going to put a very small amount of Trikatu. So I'm using, if you see, a very tiny spoon, not even a quarter. So I'm going to put this again in the warm water, and I'm going to use this. So this is my Mumbaiya auto rickshaw salt stand. So I'm going to use this. This is actually the salt, just this tiny amount of salt, and I'm going to stir it again. And this is how you can make this Trikatu. Now Trikatu is also, the usage is given in the table, so you have it after breakfast and after dinner. So this is about Trikatu. Now the Chitrika and the Daruhalad. Now this one, what you do is that I have kept equal quantities of it, if you see. And now ये 1:1 ratio में है, right? So now I'm going to mix them both together, and I'm going to have a complete mixture जिसमें ये दोनों हैं. So I have mixed them well. This is 1:1 ratio of Chitrika and Daruhalad. And from this mixture, I'm just going to pick up 1 teaspoon, and I am going to mix this in around 200 ml water, which is there in the pan. So this goes here, and then I'm just going to heat this up. I'm just going to let the water boil for some time. So this actually needs to happen for 3 to 5 minutes, but just for the sake of the live, I would not be waiting here for 3 to 5 minutes, but you need to boil this for that much time. And then once this is boiled for around 3 to 5 minutes, what you need to do is simply use a cup and a strainer and simply strain this. So you will have a very nice chai kind of a thing, because everything will be strained out. It will be pretty easy to sip on it. A very clear thing is what you will get, and then you can just sip on it like a chai. So I rather call this like a Chitrika Daruhalad chai, and this is something that you have before breakfast and before dinner. So again, please refer to the table, refer to the chapter 5, page 104 for a complete description of its benefits, on why we are using it, how does it really help us in microbiome rebalancing, how does it help us in weight loss, so that those doubts are resolved. And I just wanted to run you through actually the first view of how you can actually prepare it and how you can use it. I'll just run you through important points which are of course mentioned in the book, but I think I should not be winding up this live before I touch on those important points. One is the contraindications. Now the contraindications are very much there in the book. There's a complete list, and you should really visit and see if you have any health concerns which are mentioned in the contraindications, and then only you should decide to use the supplements. But I'll just brief you. Triphala and Daru Haridra, which is Daru Haldi, the yellow one, these are very safe and very neutral. So that's the reason why for these two herbs you will not see any contraindications. For Triphala, it has a little mild laxative effect, and that's the reason you avoid it if you're going through any kind of diarrhea, which is of course a short term, 2 days or 3 days ka baad. But otherwise, Triphala and Daru Haldi is something which doesn't have any contraindications whatsoever. Now, the other two herbs, which is Trikatu and चित्रका. Now चित्रका एक संस्कृत वर्ड है. चित्रका का मतलब है in Sanskrit it means fury, it means hot. So चित्रका as a herb is very hot, and that is why we use it in very minute amounts. We don't use we are mixing it with Daru Halad so as to kind of neutralize it, and we are using it in an amount which is very minute. The same is with Trikatu. We are just using pinches of it, and we are using 1/4 teaspoon, because again Trikatu is something which has a little heating effect to the body, and that is the reason why for these two herbs there is a test dose given in the table. तो आप लोगों को ये test dose लेना है for 3 days. If you feel completely okay, what do you mean by completely okay? Which means that you don't feel any garam ka sensation in the body, you don't feel that the body feels heated up, then you can go for the normal dose, which is again there in the table. And if you do feel that there is a little heating sensation, a burning sensation in the body, then you can just stay put with the test dose itself for the next weeks. So this is about Trikatu and Chitraka, and that's the reason why Trikatu and Chitraka also are not used in people who have concerns जिसमें already body का heat ज़्यादा होता है. For example, acidity, heartburn, migraine, acne, prolonged periods. All of these are concerns जिसमें we do not use Chitraka and Trikatu, and that is why there's a complete list and a lot of other concerns. So please go there, see if you do not fall into any of these concerns, then take all the 4 supplements. Otherwise, restrict yourself to only Triphala and Daru Haldi. So this is about the contraindications. Now I just wanted to talk about the palatability part, because I have worked with these 4 supplements for many years, and with that experience I have realized that I myself take these supplements because I do the 3-phase TBBD at least twice a year. So when I'm doing that, I take these supplements. So with all that experience of my personal experience, and also of the thousands of clients that I have worked with regarding the palatability, let me assure you that at least till now I haven't found people who have found taste issues with Triphala or with Trikatu. This tea जो हमने अभी छान के बनाया था, if you remember, the Chitraka and Daru Halad, which we mixed together and then we boiled and then we made a tea out of it. This one, out of say 100 of my clients, 40 of them would find this little unpalatable or bitter to consume. So the percentage is 40% and 60%, where 60% of my clients have always been okay and 40% have found issues in terms of taste. So अगर आप वो 40% को belong करते हैं, then what you can just do is that you can either increase the amount of water, क्योंकि थोड़ा सा dilute हो जाने से taste भी dilute हो जाता है, that bitterness gets diluted. And the other thing what you can also do is you can use honey. Don't use jaggery. I am getting a lot of questions where people are asking jaggery, but no, jaggery is not to be used. You use honey in this. So जब आपका चाय बन के आपने ऐसे कप में डाल दिया है, तो ऊपर से आप हनी डाल सकते हैं. The honey should be raw and unfiltered honey. The unprocessed honey, the good honey. And honey जरूर मतलब honey हम दे सकते हैं, हम जागरी नहीं दे सकते हैं, because in Ayurveda honey is considered as a vehicle जो आपके medicines, आपके supplements को आपके cells तक पहुंचाता है. So it works as a transporter, but jaggery doesn't do that. So it's time that we start understanding food in depth, and we don't consider कि jaggery and honey and सब कुछ एक ही है. They have different uses. So if you really have issues in terms of taste, then you put honey. If you are fine, if you fall into those 60% who are really okay with how it tastes, then I would say that please don't put anything. It's even better. So this is it from me for today, and tomorrow we are going to log into the same time, same place, and I'm going to take you to the phase 1, and we are going to kickstart phase 1 finally, and you can start using these 4 supplements. I have told you how you can, buy them. I have told you the contraindications. I have shown you how you can prepare them, and I have also told you how you can, adjust it if you have any kind of taste issues. So these are the things that I have already discussed in the live. If you have still more questions, I will tell you, please go to the book and please refer to the entire chapter where we are talking about it. I'll just see if there are questions. Actually there are many questions, so I'll just take them. Okay, so how much time after or before breakfast and dinner to have these? So Shab Shanif is asking me this. So Shab Shanif, please go to the book, chapter 5, page 104, go to the table, everything is written there, kitne samay baad lena hai, kitne samay pehle lena hai. I will insist that you go to the table and you read the table, because other than the time there are many other things which are written, and when you take supplements it's always important that you read everything in entirety and then start consuming it. Okay. Any issue consuming while on periods? No, there is no issue. You can consume it while you are on periods, no problem at all. Are there any side effects of taking these supplements? No, there are no side effects of taking these supplements. These supplements are completely safe. As I told you, they are like becoming a craze in the West, and people are taking it. Another thing that I want to bring to notice is that these supplements are not taken for lifelong any which ways. साइड इफेक्ट उन चीजों का होता है जब हम कोई चीज को बहुत लंबे समय तक लेते हैं. If you have read the book, or if you are reading the book, and if you go to the FAQs, the frequently asked questions जो chapter 5 में है, you will know that I have mentioned it there कि ये supplements जो है एक समय के लिए लिया जाता है, because they have a certain role in cleansing, they have a certain role in clearing the dysbiosis in the body, they have a certain role in enhancing the agni, the metabolism of your body. So they have a role, but you take them only for a certain period of time and then you stop them. ये ऐसा नहीं है that you will go on continuing them for the rest of your life. So therefore we are going to take them only for the next few weeks. And when you take something for a short term and things which are pretty natural, then there is no question of a side effect. So Triphala is actually a mixture of 3 fruits, इसलिए उसको 3 is 3 and phala is fruits in Hindi. So it's Triphala because it's 3 fruits, and amla is one of them, which is completely natural. So I don't see any reason, and that's the thing for all the others. Trikatu is actually ginger, black pepper, and another kind of long pepper. So there cannot be any side effect because of you are taking ginger and pepper, right? So even the Daru Haldi is actually a tree turmeric. So it's just another version of turmeric, and it cannot be having any side effects. So no, there are no side effects. So please take them, and please read the benefits of them. And okay, is it mandatory to take them for program, as I'm already on other Ayurvedic medicines? It is not mandatory, but it's always beneficial if you take them, because then you will be able to reap the complete benefits. Now people who are on some other Ayurvedic medicine, then it becomes very easy, because you can simply go and ask your Ayurvedic doctor that I am keen on taking these because these are Ayurvedic supplements. All of these are Ayurvedic herbal supplements. So if you're already with an Ayurvedic doctor, he will be able to tell you whether the medicines जो आप already अभी ले रहे हैं for some other concerns, वो इनके साथ clash करेगा या नहीं करेगा. So the doctor who is giving you the Ayurvedic medicines is the best person जिसको आप जाके पूछ सकते हैं that whether I should be clubbing my other medicines, my other Ayurvedic medicines with these or not. So let me see if there are any questions in the screen, and let me just scroll down. Okay, so there's a person who's basically not asking me anything about the phase 1 supplements, but I'll just probably take this last question and say bye to you all. So she's asking, there's a protein smoothie recipe. Yes, there is in the book, and there is almond milk in the recipe. Yes, there is. And she's asking if that almond milk should be made at home. It's always better to make your nut milks at home. Coconut milk, अगर आप साउथ में जाएं, especially Kerala and all, people make coconut milk at home since years. मतलब जब से ये veganism and everything became popular, तब से ये नहीं है, बहुत पहले से ये कल्चर है कि वहाँ कोकोनट मिल्क हमेशा बनते आया है. So it's not new for people in the south, but you know, wherever you are, if you are wanting to have any of these nut milks, it's preferable that you make them at home, क्योंकि whenever we buy from outside, we do not know if they are adding some stabilizers and emulsifiers. The reason why I'm saying so is because at the end these are perishable products, right? A nut milk is a perishable product, and the manufacturers tend to use certain things so as to extend the shelf life, because then only it becomes, you know, commercially profitable for them. So until and unless we are very sure about what is really there inside the packed nut milk or the almond milk or whichever you're using, it's always better to make it at home. It's very simple to make it at home as well, and you can make it, you can store it for the next 4-5 days, and then you can again, you know, make it. So you don't have to really make it on an everyday basis. Okay. So does blood group factor impact in these diets? No, not at all. There is no you know, relation with the blood group. आप कोई भी blood group से हो सकते हैं, and you can do this diet, right? Okay, so thank you so much. There are few other questions, but you know, maybe I can take them in tomorrow's live, because we are still going to continue phase 1 tomorrow. We are actually going to discuss the meals and the food of phase 1. So all the best, and I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you.